Okay, so this is like the 7th maybe video I've done tonight. Locking blade. Pretty big blade. Not really all that sharp. It says stainless. Oh, this is interesting. Stainless Pakistan. I did not realize I had a Pakistani knife. Right, since that's not really showing up either, I'm gonna have to take a picture of this one too. I can't remember if the handle... I think the handle was supposed to look like bone, but it's not really bone. And it's got a picture of a ship on the front. Oh, wait, can you? No. Okay. So I will... Only one blade. I will take a picture of this blade so you can see what it says on it also. Alright, see you next time.